This one includes some gorgeous layers, and just look at how that color bounces off those layers in the light. Super fun and flirty, and of course the perfect unit for spring. I'm gonna do a very simple, very easy, very My First Wig coated install for you guys, for the beginners, for the girls who just want something simple and easy, some tips and tricks on how to achieve it. So if you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started. And of course we have the upgraded wig cap, which includes 3 wig combs that are actually Velcro, so you can peel and stick as you please. And of course that nice upgraded drawstring at the nape for a perfect glueless fit.